Pay Disney Plus with gift card. In today's video, you are going to learn how to pay Disney Plus with gift card. So let's get started. First, get a Disney Plus gift card. Purchase a Disney Plus gift card from an authorized retailer or the official Disney website. These gift cards are often available in various denominations. Then scratch off the protective layers. Some gift cards may have a protective layer that needs to be scratched off to reveal the code. Sign up or log into Disney Plus. If you already have a Disney Plus account, log in. If not, sign up for a Disney Plus account. Then navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for an option that relates to billing, subscriptions, or redeeming a code. Here, select the redeem the card option. Enter the code from your Disney Plus gift card into the provided field. This is usually a series of letters and numbers. Then verify and confirm. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify the code and confirm the redemption. The balance on the gift card should be applied to your Disney Plus account. That's all. That's how you will be able to pay Disney Plus with gift card.